First we're going to look at the reservoir and pump, and then we'll follow the lines down to the brushes. So here's your pump, and on your pump you have your hydraulic pilot signal, and in this fitting is a restrictor. So higher pressure tractors will put out higher pressure, and you'll need that restrictor because if you don't have that, full flow will go into this pump and you'll blow lines off. This is your pilot line. Your pilot line will be hooked into a hydraulic cylinder on this particular piece of equipment. This is the lift gate cylinder. So every time the lift gate is retracted or pulled back down, the pump will cycle, pushing oil up to the brushes. Then we have our adjuster screw on the bottom. This adjustment screw is, if you screw it in, will limit the amount of flow going out to your brushes. If you back it out, it will allow more flow going out to your brushes. Next we have the manifolds. These are our manifolds, and there's a little check valve on the inside of those manifolds. We have our ferrule and our nut, and then our tubing. As you can see, this particular piece of equipment has 5 chains that need to be lubricated, and then the other ports are actually plugged. Next we will follow this manifold out to the brush. This particular brush is nice and close. There we have the brush mounted with an L bracket, self-tapping screw, and a nut that holds the brush tight to the bracket. The brush is inserted into the chain about 1/4 to 3/8 of an inch. You will want to review those or look at those every season to make sure that the wear of the chain allows the brush to actually come in contact with the chain itself. So you want to adjust these using this bracket. Another portion of this system is the reservoir tank. Within this reservoir tank we have the cap. And then within the cap, you also have your screen that will catch the debris or chaff when you're trying to pour oil into it.